I'm Edmund from ITOP Kitchen. Today I bring you the machine. The name is slow cooker, and also another name in French is Sous Vide. At the beginning, this kind to make the food is only in French, and because you know the French is a romantic country. Also, they are the food for they is very special. So you maybe is curious how different to use this machine to make the food, and because you know in the traditional way to cook the food, and if we use the electric fryer or griddle to make the food, it's easy to overcook the food, and it's hard for the chef to control the temperature. So but if you use this machine to make, because this machine can set the pressure, temperature, and also the timer to control. When the food material get out from the pan, and after that put on the griddle, and the chef can fry, and maybe very soon for the customer. And also because if we take the food from the refrigerator directly put on the griddle, outside of the food maybe it's hot, maybe it's overcooked, but inside of the food maybe still cold, so tastes not good, and also it's hard for the chef. But when you use this machine after that, and inside and outside, for example, is 60 Celsius degree, and when finished after the griddle, and the beef is very good and taste, and inside and outside the temperature is evenly. So you know why this machine is so special and popular by the chef. Okay, so here we have three models. This one is the old model is on the production, and this one is the upgrade version, upgrade model, new one. And this is another one. The power is a little stronger than these two kinds. So later I will show you how it's different them. Okay, and normally the sous vide, and because you know here at the back, the back hole design, so this sous vide can hold with the GM pan, and also you know this kind have a knob here, and you can tie up or screw, and so it will keep stable on the GM pan. And this is similar, this old one, and this the new one also have a holder to keep this sous vide connect with the GM pan. This holder can put in the new one, and the size, the direction is here, and put inside and screw connect with the GM pan, so it's very stable, something like this. This machine is very simple. This two kind is the power is 1010 voltage. This one is 1500 watt. And just I will show you this and this one first, and here open and long press about 2 seconds, and to turn off or turn on the machine. And also have a buzzer alarm a little and tell you this machine is on. And here temperature, temperature to set up and down, up or down. So I set the 20 minutes the timer, and also the temperature I set up to 70 Celsius degree. Now it's done. So when I press open, you can see here have a icon to show it's working. Now you see now it's working. So here the water is running, and because this machine will keep the container inside, the temperature is evenly. So now it's working, and you see here, and so the food inside, and actually normally the food cannot put inside at the beginning, because sometimes cannot control the, I mean, because the chef want to make sure every time the food come out the taste is the same, right? So normally the food will not put inside at the beginning, and this is for the test in this morning. So just now James used the vacuum pack food, so now I put inside. No, wait a minute. When the temperature arrives, the target temperature, and I will put the food inside. Okay, so I will show you other model. Okay, this is another model, the upgrade model. So I will show you this model here to turn on. Also, it's long press, about 2 seconds to open or off this machine. Okay, now I set the temperature at the same to 70 Celsius degree. And here is the timer. I will set also 20 minutes. Okay, so it's done. And here, start. Here have the icon to show the machine is working or stop. Yeah, you can see. Yeah, here have the light, and it's on, it's working. If not, it's stop. So that's very simple, right? And also this model, yeah, this. And here this model is a little different. This Tokai is 1100 watts, and this one is 1500 watts. Here have the switch here at the back of the machine to turn off or turn on the machine, and also here have the fuse to if something wrong, maybe the fuse is burnt out, can replace easily. Okay, and here have many different buttons, so it's very easy for the chef. And also here is the current temperature, and here is the setting temperature. Here is the setting time. So the button is separate. So I think it's very easy. It's clear for the chef. You see here. Okay. The time I will set also is 20 minutes. Okay, the time is 20 minutes, and here is the temperature. So the target temperature for me is 70 degrees Celsius. And now here, when the power on is working, here have the icon like the fans, and it means that it's working. Or if I need to pause and stop, here. So now this model is working to control the temperature of the container. So this model, if you want to modify the temperature or the time, if they are working, you cannot modify. So if you want to adjust the temperature, you need to stop first, and you can set the temperature, and when finished, and you can let it working. Okay, now it's working. So still need time to arrive the target temperature. Wait a minute. So you can see this free model, and because in the same container, so they have the current temperature to show the current temperature. So you see the temperature is almost the same, right? It's precious. The temperature is different. Is below decimal point. So also here, you can see here the light. Here at the light. This model, the maximum light of the water. So and also have the minimal light. So when you use the container to work the machine, so the water light cannot beyond the range. So and also this Sous machine, Vide machine is all made of stainless steel, so they will not get rusty, and very suitable for the commercial purpose. And also this model have the fans to keep the machine cool, so it's durable. I have some tips for you. When you to cook the food, use this machine, you cannot just put the food inside. Why? Because the food may be throw into the hole of the machine, and inside is dirty and will not work. So the food will be put inside a bag and the vacuum bag, and you put the food inside and to boil. And yes, so that's the tips. And this free model is past the CE certificate, so it's very safe. This free model is high level for the waterproof. This is up to IPX7, so it's very good to use in this situation. And this one, the power is 1100 watt, and this one, upgrade one, is up to 2000 watt. So it's very high efficiency. And this model, the water can up to 20 liters. This one can up to 30 liters. It means that this is 5.3 gallons, and this can up to 8 gallons. So I think it's big enough for you to cook many food at the same time. And as I know, in the restaurant, it's special in the rush time. Many customers come, and it's quite easy for the chef. They cannot match the rush time. So if you have this machine, and 1 hour before the rush time, and you put the meat or the food inside the container, and when the customer come, and you can take out the food to griddle or to fry very soon, and you can catch up the rush time. So I think it's not only a machine to make the food delicious, and also to help you to improve your efficiency. So we will see now. Actually now just one machine to work, so I try to let them work together and to work fast. Okay. So now three models work together. Here had the light on, and also here the small icon, and here the fans. It means that it's working. You can see the water is rotate very soon, right? So I think very soon the temperature will increase to the target temperature. And also our machine is we have 1 year warranty. So you no need to worry about the after sales, and we are here for you. And also we have, because this machine is hot sale, so we have in stock. So if you want sample, we can send out in 2 days. If the batch order, we can send in 20 days. So I tell you again about the process of this machine. First time, you set the timer, set the temperature and set the time, and let it working. And when the temperature arrive the target temperature, and you put the foot, the vacuum with vacuum pack foot inside the water, and when the time arrive and the food is ready, so you can take out the food for next step. And normally the time arrive, after that the machine also will work for time about 1 hour. So you see now almost is now you see the temperature arrive the target temperature. Now that stop. So it's time for me to put the food inside. Okay. So I will put the meat inside the water completely. So make sure all the meat will evenly. And also another. So later I will try to cut the meat for you to show outside and inside of the meat the situation. Okay. So now I am prepared, waiting for the meat. So you can see the meat. Maybe get close to see how it changed. So you can see that separate the temperature, indicate almost the same. So the temperature is very accuracy. You will never think about to do like this in the traditional way. So I need to hold the machine. I just show you another view, another side. And also inside have the eggs here, and from this morning, because some people like to taste half-boiled eggs. Okay, I will take out this one. Try to see how's the difference. So you can see inside. How do you think? Maybe I can try. It's delicious. Okay, I try to take out the eggs. I don't know how's the situation inside. Now is 70 Celsius degree. Aha! You can see. You can see. This egg, I cooked it from this morning. You can see no matter how long it was cooked, and inside just keep in the 70 degrees Celsius. Good machine, right? Very suitable for the chef to make the delicious good. Okay.